Hey guys, Travis from Hammond Engineering here. I've got a little video today of my Mazak VQC 2040 machining a serrated jaw for a implement that I've been doing a fair bit of work on lately. The implement's a vibratory pile driver that Carter Marine Group here in Bairnsdale, the same town I'm in, is putting together to drive in piles for jetties and piers and whatnot. It's not really a new concept. There's plenty of them around. As far as I'm aware, there's nothing made in Australia the same, and Carter's made a few design features that he wanted specifically for his use case. Um, the material we're working with is 4140. We may harden it in the future. It really depends how it performs with what it needs to do. And if we need to, we'll step up to tool steel or something like that later. 4140 was just easy because it's something that I always have sitting around. That's why I've started with round bar too, just because it was something I had on the shelf. No need to source anything. And I've had a bit of trouble before trying to get 4140 flat bar or plate or something like that. So to start off with, all we've done is face both sides of it to get two parallel sides, and then chucked it back in there on its side and indicated it back up again, ready to face the back side of it right off, and bore out a hole and thread mill it to take the rod. After we got the thread fitting mint, flipped it back over to the other side to actually machine the teeth part of it. Seeing as the teeth weren't just a 90-degree profile, they were, I believe, 62 degrees, I decided to use a ball end mill and just profile it with that. Seeing as I was only making two parts, it didn't matter that it would maybe take a little bit longer to do it with a ball end mill, and it's just a bit of an interesting process. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any tips you've got for me, how to make the videos a bit better or anything like that, I've tried to up my lighting game a little bit, and I'm going to try a few different camera angles. But yeah, hope you come back and check out some other videos. Cheers.